Center of Kolkata, where the melange of books and arts always find a new language and expression. Crossword is not just a bookstore, but a multicultural platform to engage the milieu in a plethora of activities, from community development to talent showcasing. This evening is Crossword's homage to Rabindranath Tagore to celebrate his 150th birth anniversary, as well as to commemorate his 70th death anniversary. 1913. The Nobel Prize for Literature went to a man who did the translations of his song offerings while recuperating from a bout of ill health. He was the first Asian to have received this honor, and also one whose work created quite a stir in the literary circles of the world. The Gitanjali surely has a spiritual message which Rabindranath preached in his pilgrimage to the West. Within the year 1913 to 1914, the Gitanjali was translated into French, Swedish, Dutch, Spanish, German, and Danish. The preceding year, the premonition of an impending war had made Europe desperate for peace and tranquility. That is when Tagore's verses came as a balm, therapeutic even. This poet from a sunny land of peace espoused the creed of humanity above all religion. And today, when the world is torn apart by global terrorism, we realize that Tagore visualized this fatal hour a century back. Interestingly, from a completely different perspective, the poetry in the Gitanjali celebrates different facets of life and a gamut of human emotions: love, sorrow, divinity, ecstasy, sensuousness, and a whole host of others. This evening, conceptualized by Sujoy Prasad Chatterjee, is an offering through select readings from the Gitanjali and Rabindra Sangeet by eminent personalities like Pranati Thakur, Borun Chando, Sohini Pal, Loket Chatterjee, Manushi Mukherjee Chatterjee, who's come all the way from Toronto, Shabani Shen, Dr. Sudeshna Basu, and Vaishali Chatterjee Dutt. We request you to kindly keep your mobile phones silent for an hour from now, and please do not take any audio or video recordings of the show if you haven't taken prior permission from the director. For our friends from the media, please do click away. Abar bolchi doya kore mobile phone gulo silent e rakhun. And now, ladies and gentlemen, Crossword Bookstore presents Gitanjali.
Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, in the beginning, I would like to thank Mr. Siddharth Pansari, who's right in front of me. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for Crossword and the excellent team. I would like to thank also a couple of thank yous in the beginning. I would also like to thank Shomini Sendua, who's also worked very hard for the event. Thank you, Shomini and Next Gen. Thank you very much. Big applause for Shomini and Next Gen, please. Thank you. This evening has been the concept of this evening germinated during my journey through the Canadian Rockies. I suppose Manushi and Deboshi, and of course Sudeshna, who were there with me during this entourage at the Year of India in Canada. I was with Gitanjali, or Gitanjali was with me. So this is an evening that I owe to Gitanjali. এটা আমার গীতাঞ্জলির কাছে ঋণ স্বীকার। গীতাঞ্জলির প্রত্যেকটি কবিতা, প্রত্যেকটি গান আমাকে গভীরভাবে নাড়া দিয়েছে, এবং আমার মনে হয়েছিল যে গীতাঞ্জলি নিয়ে আমি এমন কিছু একটা করব, এরকম একটা অনুষ্ঠান। I would obviously like to introduce today's set of artists, although most of them do not need an introduction in the city. But before that, I would like to thank Vaishali Chatterjee Dutt, who's the editor of Chicken Soup series and a theatre actress by herself. Thank you, Vaishali, for being a part of this evening. Mishti Meta odike ekdom phone boshe ache. She's Sohini Pal, an aspiring actress. Please put up a big round of applause for her. You've seen her in Bo Barracks Forever and Game, I suppose. Jackpot as well. Right. Well, next to Sohini is a lady who's got a big surname, and she mentions that I mentioned the whole name, Manushi Mukherjee Chatterjee. Great. Manushi is from Toronto. She is not only a brilliant master of ceremonies, a great orator, but a ghazal singer, a poetess. I've been urging her to bring out her collection of poetry. I think she's going to take me seriously now after this show. Thank you, Manushi, for being here with us. And thank you, Kaushik, who's also here with us. Thank you.
Kaushik is my husband.
Yes. Does Borun Chandra need an introduction to any one of you here? You know Borunda very well. So please put up a big round of applause for Borunda. Pranati Tagore to me is an institution. আমি ওনার কাছ থেকে সবসময় ওনার বাচনভঙ্গি, ওনার কথা বলা, ওনার আবৃত্তি, উনি বাচিক শিল্প জগতে শুধু স্বনামধন্য নন, উনি একটি নাম যার কাছে উনি ট্রেন করেন প্রচুর মানুষকে। ওনার একটি ইনস্টিটিউশন আছে সূর্যাবর্ত বলে, তাই তো প্রণতিদি? সূর্যাবর্ত, যাতে আমি বলেছি আমাকে এবার একটুখানি নিতে হবে, আমি শিখতে চাই প্রণতিদির কাছে। আচ্ছা, আজ অত সাহস নেই। আচ্ছা, লকেটের মধ্যে পরিচয় দেওয়ার দরকার নেই। লকেটকে তো ইউনো applause, yes, of course, absolutely. Lockett is a very popular film personality now. She doesn't need an introduction. Let's all put up a big round of applause for Lockett. আমার বাদিকে যিনি বসে আছেন উনি পরিযায়ী পাখির মতোই ব্যবহার করেন। উনি কিছুটা সময় আমেরিকায় থাকেন, কিছুটা সময় কলকাতায় থাকেন। ডক্টর সুদেশনা বাসু অশোকতরু বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে রবীন্দ্রসঙ্গীত শিখেছেন, গুন্ডেচা ব্রাদার্স মীরা বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায়ের কাছে তালিম নিয়েছেন শাস্ত্রীয় সঙ্গীতে। অসম্ভব গুণী একজন শিল্পী, ভারতবর্ষের বাইরে এবং বিদেশের মাটিতে অনেক নাম করা জায়গায় উনি পারফর্ম করেছেন। আজকে উনি আমাদের সঙ্গে রয়েছেন, ওনার জন্য একটা করতালি। শ্রাবণী আমাদের একটু পরে জয়েন করবে। শ্রাবণী ইজ ইন রবীন্দ্র সদন। আর রানাদা অন কিবোর্ড, রানাদার জন্য হাততালি। সোমনাথ অন গিটার। ধন্যবাদ।
What about Sujoy yourself?
Yes.
Thank you.
Would you very much like to talk about Sujoy?
Actually, সুজয় প্রসাদ চ্যাটার্জি এই নামটাই কিন্তু এখন মানে ইট স্পিক্স এভরিথিং অ্যাবাউট হিম। তো আমি চাইবো একটা খুব বড় অ্যাপ্লজ ফর সুজয়।
এটা আমাকে নার্ভাস করে দেওয়া